Hello champion, welcome to my math class. I'm teacher Adam. Today we are going to learn about curved graphs. We are going to learn how to interpret the curved graphs. When it's in distance time graph, how would we interpret it and solve different kinds of questions? So you say distance time and speed time graphs are not always straight lines. Often they are curves. This graph shows the distance traveled by a runner in a 10-second interval. So distance in meters, we have 0, 10, 20. And then we have time in seconds, so it's 10 seconds covered in 20 meters. The runner goes 20 meters and then returns to start. To find the speed at any time, draw a tangent to the curve and find its gradient. So if you're finding speed, in this case, you have to draw a tangent and then find its gradient. For the runner described above, find the speed after 2 seconds. Draw a tangent at the point. So for the runner described above, find the speed after 2 seconds. So the speed after 2 seconds. So you have to draw a straight line. After 2 seconds, you draw a straight line. So you can draw a tangent there. Sorry, my line won't be straight. And then, so this is a straight line with the same gradient as the curve at the point. So to find the gradient, draw a triangle underneath the tangent. So you can draw a triangle underneath the triangle. So after drawing that tangent, a tangent should touch only this point. So maybe mine is not that straight, but just understand it. It's a straight line. So touching there, goes there. So you have a line, and then you draw a triangle, then get a point. For the runner described above, find the speed after 2 seconds. So find the speed after 2 seconds. So here, what you'll do, after 2 seconds, you can have another point after 2 seconds, immediately after 2 seconds, and use it now as our estimate. So maybe it will be at point, we call that point A. We call this at point A. Yes, so you say it is at 2.2, comma 10.4, point B, which is at 3.4.2. Correct. Then find the rate of change. You say 20.2 minus 10.4 over 3.4 minus 2.2. Change of y over change of x. And when you do this, you get 9.8 divided by 3.4 minus 2.2 equal to 1.2. 0.8 divided by 1.2, 9.8 divided by 1.2, you get, so you get around close to an estimate of 8.6 meters per second. This is not bad. So because it's an estimate, you get that. Next question. So a car starts from rest and drives in a straight line. This graph shows the distance from the start for the first 5 seconds. So use this table of values to make a copy of the graph. So majority of these questions, to have a copy of the graph, it's easy. You just plot. You just need to understand where time in second is and distance in meter is, and then draw tangent at x is equal to 2. Yeah, you can draw tangent. You just go to at x, which is the time in second, and then put where 2 is, and then estimate the speed after 4 seconds. So majority of these questions, they need you to apply the knowledge. It's majority of the questions here is mostly on application. So if you understand application, it's very simple for you. So it's not as hard as you might think. So for example, even plotting at 0 is 0, at 1 it's 2. So find 2. You see it's there. At 2 it's 8. Confirm. Yeah, it's true. At 3 it's 18. So it has already been plotted. Draw a tangent at x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2. So go to at x is equal to 2 here. Then draw a tangent. A tangent should only touch that point. Then you should draw a line that is very straight. And should only touch. It should be a straight line, not like mine. It should be a straight line. It should be a very straight line, not like mine. Estimate the speed after 4 seconds. So estimate the speed after 4 seconds. So your straight line, it's after this. What's the speed? It means they want this point. Yeah, so can you get the difference between here and here? So it was 1 second, and then look at the distance covered in 1 second. The distance covered in 1 second, 50 minus 32, and get 18 meters. So it is 18 meters per second. Yeah, that's what you do, and you get your answer. Wow, that's nice. So majority of these questions will need you to to take time to understand what they are asking and analyze them. So champion, kindly solve all the questions in this unit, and we are done with the unit. If you have any question, kindly ask, solve all this assignment and do them on your own time. You can as well just take time, try to solve and try to plot. If you are struggling anywhere, kindly please just text there on our YouTube channel. And if you need help, we have our WhatsApp communication there. You can as well send message and I'll answer right there and then I will show you how it's being done. You can as well join our physical math session at our center and also do online classes. Don't worry, stay connected until you win it. See you at the top champion. Bye bye.